Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll be taking a look at Matilda on Blu-ray. Let's get into it. Here we have the front. Very nice shot of all the cast. And some shots of Matilda, her dad, mom, and Mrs. Trunchbull. Here we have the spine. Also with some nice shots of her parents. Haven't really seen that on spines pretty much of other characters. So usually just the main character. So that's pretty nice to see. And the back showing the premise of the film. Along with some shots. Incredibly fun, a great movie for all ages. That is very true. This is a wonderful film. Here we have the bonus features. And going inside, here we have the Blu-ray with some very nice disc art. And we also have some background art. Nice shot of Matilda, Mara Wilson. And here we have the entire background art here. It's from one of these scenes from the film. Very nice, they included background art. And I highly recommend this film for any Danny DeVito or Mara Wilson fan, or any fan of kind of the early 90s. This definitely is a staple of that time, and it is a phenomenal film. Also recommend this for any fan of the book Matilda. And this is, once again, a wonderful film, one of my favorites, and you will not be disappointed. It is very imaginative and quirky, and just a wonderful film. You will not be disappointed. And that's it for today's video. Once again, we have Matilda on Blu-ray. And as always, if you enjoy what you see, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any more of these videos. And if you have any questions or recommendations for future videos, leave them down in the comments and I'll get to the questions in the next video and the recommendations when I can. Once again, that's it for today. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.